Hey there fellows, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to be seeing what banks actually use Zelle. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I recommend you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Okay, so guys, if you've already had to use it before, you can know or you are aware of the convenience that this payment app offers. So it's typically a payment service that lets you send money to friends and family, even if they bank somewhere else besides your own personal bank. So if you have a friend that has a different bank other than yours, you can easily Zelle the money easily and conveniently. So guys, Zelle has incorporated into many different banking apps, and by doing so, it has offered a convenience for most banking customers to easily send and receive money through the payment service. So Zelle features a page that displays all the banks it partners with, and you can see from this page it lists pages from A to Z and from 0 to 9, so in an alphabetical order and in numerical order. So scrolling down further in the list, you're going to see the available options or the available banks. You can see that ordered in alphabetical order. There's A going right on to the next, so you can easily find your bank through this page. So let's say we want to search for Wells Fargo, we just enter Wells Fargo. And tap search. Alright, so Wells Fargo is actually available. Zelle is actually available in the Wells Fargo banking app. So this is just an example. You can go on searching your own personal bank regardless of its importance in the country, in the territory. So one other important thing I would like to emphasize on is that this Zelle is just available for US banks. So if you bank elsewhere or with any other bank that is not located within the US, then there's no chance you're going to find Zelle in your banking app. So this list actually features the different banks that work with Zelle. You can see from the Federal Credit Union, A Plus Federal Credit Union, Ali Bank, and going right on to the other options. So let's tap on another option here. Let's say the F, the banks that start with F, and you can see the FNA, Federal Credit Union, First Commercial Bank, and all the others. So it is likewise, you can do so with any other letter. Let's say W, and you can see all the banks that begin with letter W that are within the Zelle network. So all these banks actually they are in the Zelle network, and if your bank is in Zelle network, you should probably find it on this list. However, there are some cases where the list isn't that updated to its best, so you just have to contact your bank to make sure they work with Zelle. If they work with Zelle, they give you a quick response that they actually accept Zelle for the different transactions, that you can incorporate it within your banking app and use it for your different transactions. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. So the video was all about showing you the different banks that work with Zelle, and this list is actually the easiest way to find banks that work with Zelle. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. So guys, I'll catch you in the next one.